So in the last weeks, we witnessed some profit booking, and I already mentioned we are in a profit booking mode because we had a double top here, and this is a dragon pattern. And if you check, this one is also a W pattern, and we got a breakdown in this rising channel too. So the previous day I mentioned the support once we got a breakdown, that is this line. So it's around 25,740. So we will have a downside movement towards the 25,606 and 25,575 to 80 range. So we witness all this downside target almost met, and see here now the support is here, it's coming 25,570 range. So if we close, or so if we fell below this one and sustain, then there is another only one support is nearby, is around 25,500 to 505 range. If we this one also broken, then the previous breakout line, that is around 400, before that one I will mention this upper side movement. So if we bounce back this range, then we will have a bounce back this way. So there is a strong resistance in 25,650 to 660 range. You can see this is the falling channel also. So if you like make a cross line this from here, so we will have a very strong resistance line here, that's around 50, and here around 60 to 65 range. So there will be a strong selling pressure this range. Once we cross 25,670, then we have a relief bounce from here, that's around it can move towards 720 to 740. Then this can leads to 800 to 870 range. So this can move up to here. Once we cross here, this can move towards this way, and mostly will touch this. And even you can imagine a what to call a inverted head and shoulder pattern here, this way it can move. This is the formation we can expect. Only this one, once it will come from a support this range. We are almost near this Sensex also almost near support, and we are having a Sensex expiry tomorrow. So we can get a volatility move in this Sensex expiry S2. So you can play a combo in this Sensex expiry. You can buy P and C both at the almost same price and the same strike price. So the upper side resistance I already mentioned, and the downside support I already mentioned. This 25,500 also mentioned. Now we go to check 4-hour chart. So 4-hour chart, after this one I am getting only one support line, that is around 25,370 to 380. This was the previous breakout around 25,410 420 range. So this could be also a support. That means next after this one this 500 range broken, then we will have a support here around 410 to 375 or 380 range. So that's it from my side of Nifty, and we go to check Sensex. So I will explain the Sensex expiry levels, and you can note at that one, and you can do this combo. Otherwise, you can buy or sell using P or C. This is Sensex 30 minutes chart. So I'm going to, we are near this what to call support range, that is coming the previous breakouts. I will explain in 4-hour chart. Now I'm looking for a breakout because this is continuously falling, making lower highs and lower highs. So highs we need to wait for that one. And the resistance, now if we getting a bounce back from support, then the resistance will be around here, that is 83. If this one is coming 83,600 range, so this will be the resistance is coming. And if you draw a line interconnecting this lows also, see this is still a resistance, in the last day we are having a resistance, that means a support here. So that one also we broken, and we are now almost near the support of this index. So I'll show you that one. This is coming around here in the 30 minutes, coming around 83,200 range. And if it's bounce back from here, then the first target around 83,600. Before that we have in 4 hour time frame, there is resistance is 83,450 to 60. So if we bounce back from here, this will come around 83,600 to 630 range. So you can count that one as your resistance. I'm using a horizontal line, this range for bounce back here. Okay, so I will change now to 4 hour. So let's see what's happening in 4 hour. So this is the 4 hour chart of what to call your Sensex, and you can see previous time I mentioned this was forming like a cup and handle formation. So because see, this is the cup and handle, and we've got a breakout around 83,300. So that was the support. Mostly this range will come as a support. So I'm expecting a bounce back. This is the if maximum lower side. I'm expecting around 83,100 range. So there you can buy around 83,200 to 83,100 range if we get. So this will be mostly a bounce back range. And the first target 83,450 to 60, then 600 to 630. And so is this fall is also a little more sharp, and the bounce back also mostly will be this way. So it can move towards 84 200 to 250 range. If the bounce back is this way, then the positional target mostly here around 84 to 200 to 260 range. So that's it for Sensex. And one more thing, if we close below this 83,100, then it will be a very it's not a good for the market. So now let's go to check Bank Nifty. Here Bank Nifty forming a wedge pattern here. See this pattern here, it's forming like a wedge pattern. So this is very crucial. This support is very crucial. It's almost closing just above this one, that is 57770 range. So once we fell below this one, then it's a little more weak for Bank Nifty. Then it could have to be see this like a M pattern and this wedge pattern. If we fell this one and this range, and this could have to be a more big fall of Bank Nifty. So otherwise we should have to bounce back from here. Then the upper resistance is 57,950. Then the next one is 58,090 range. Then this can move towards this way, 58,280 range. So if you check in 4 hour, then you can see that in 4 hour you can see the downside support is around here, that is around 57,300 range. So if we fell this 57,750 range, then this can mostly touch this 57,300 range. So let's see tomorrow Sensex expiry also. Hope you get a good idea about all ranges of Nifty, Bank Nifty, and even Sensex. So if you like this video, you can share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.